Well, anyway.
Oh, there you go.
How's it going?
Did it. Put it down nice and give a nice.
Just hit it once.
No, it's not, the time is.
If you're going too fast.
Yeah, if you hit it, get better.
Anyway, I'll skip this one today, we'll do it on Friday, or I can talk about it tomorrow. So, this, what's supposed to happen is I dial the time, it'll sweep faster and faster, and when it's sweeping very fast, you just see a line. So the beam is doing this, you see the beam going across, but if it's going very fast, like it's going across in 1/10,000th of a second, or it's sweeping 10,000 times a second, then it will just look like a straight line. Then when I apply a voltage, I can make that, so if I have an alternating voltage, and then I put it on the scope, it stretches it out. And if it's going very fast, then I have to move fast this way to see it. So if it's going very fast and I don't move too fast, I'll see something like this. And then if I increase the speed, that stretches it out more. So in order to create an alternating voltage, we need what's called a function generator. I can't really display it because this isn't responding. Oh, there it goes. Now it's responding. You see, I can make it go very slow, speeding it up. Now it's going very fast. And so this is called an oscilloscope. But in order to get, if I have a battery, it just gives me a direct voltage, which is static. So we have these things called function generators, which will generate oscillating voltages. And this will dial the frequency at which it oscillates. I can vary that, and I can vary the type of oscillation. But if I want to see what it's making, I have to display it on the oscilloscope. So if I take this here, and bring it here,